So hey everyone, welcome back to Pair Around the World, and I am traveling to Kolan Island from Pattaya. From Pattaya Walking Beach, as you move towards the beach road, there's the starting point. You enter the Pattaya Walking Street, and then you come towards the end and you see the Bali High Pier. From there, you have two options: either you take the ferry boat or the speedboat. The speedboat costs around 200-300 baht per person to Kolan, whereas the ferry boat takes around 45 minutes and it costs around 30-40 baht per person one way.
Well, here you can rent a bike, or there are options of tuk-tuk also. So tuk-tuk does not go to each and every place. It goes to the main location, the main beaches like Tawan Beach and Tai Yai Beach, something like that. But if you want to go to some viewpoints, it doesn't go over there because I've been there some few days back, and I didn't see any tuk-tuk over there to the viewpoint, the windmill viewpoint, which is a very good location in Koh Lan Island. You should visit this place to view the entire 360-degree view of this island. It's very good, बहुत अच्छा है. अगर आप जाते हो windmill viewpoint पे, you get to see, आपको 360-degree view मिलता है. But यहाँ पे आप बाइक रेंट कर सकते हो. The normal rent is around 200 to 300. 300 is around the Naban Pier. It's for up to 5 o'clock they give you. You come anytime, and with free petrol, you don't need to refuel the petrol. If you're coming with your friend, you can share equally, and get the best of most of the beaches on this island. And or else you can just walk around if you're good. I mean, if you like to walk, most of the beaches are just 20-30 minutes away. Not that much, but then again depends upon your fitness. Well, let's just walk on the Tawan beach, and I will show you the Sangwan beach as well a bit later. Now have a look at the color of this sea. It's so amazing, man. It's crystal clear. It's just beautiful. I love it, and it's a very good beach to swim also. You'll see a lot of people swimming around. It's a beautiful place. Wow, even I would love to swim, but it's really very hot here. I just went and took a water break at 7-Eleven. So at 7-Eleven they have the conditioner on, so you can just take a small break over there, come back to the beach. It feels really good, and it's very hot. And if you take a bed, there is a shade, and bed ka they charge 100 baht. You can sit as long as you want, I mean, doesn't matter. But really, if you go and sit there, you just don't want to sit there, you want to order as well. So but also enjoy the beach at the same time. काफ़ी टूरिस्ट है यहाँ पे, एंड पूरी दुनिया से टूरिस्ट आए हैं यहाँ पे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सोंक्रान फेस्टिवल था. और जस्ट सोंक्रान फेस्टिवल ही नहीं कि दिस इज़ अ प्लेस, अ टूरिस्ट प्लेस. टूरिस्ट कम एनी टाइम ऑफ द year, throughout the year, so it makes a wonderful place to just come and relax around. I really love this beach because the beach is absolutely crystal clear. Wow, it's so awesome. And the good thing is that when you're walking, there's a good breeze also, so you really don't feel that heat wave over here. Right now it's exactly around 1:35, and it's a beautiful place to be at. I've been there on the top. From there you could see the entire beach on the top over there. And there are a lot of sports activity. काफ़ी sports activity है यहाँ पे. You can just try it out, but I've tried them before. Uh, the jet ski is very nice. They charge 500 for one 5 minutes round, and it's really worth it. You know, if you would like to try something which is similar to a bike, but it's risky. They have a safety rope also that is attached, so that you don't fall. Even if you fall, you don't you know, just keep with you. That's the banana ride. So what a lovely place. It's just till up to there, till that point, and it's just a total of around 20-25 minutes walk from one end to the other end. That's where I came from. That is the pier. You can take a bus, a ferry back to the Pattaya beach. Well, so this is the Sangwan beach. It's right next to the pier. When you come from the pier, get out from the boat, this is Sangwan beach in Phuket. What a lovely path. I think they are making another way. Some construction is happening, so another way will come right from here, and will go directly to Sangwan beach. This also goes directly to Sangwan beach. It's a lovely path and a lovely way to, you know, get some cool Instagram photographs. You have some rocks on the beach. काफ़ी अच्छी से मेंटेन किया हुआ है ये बीच, और एकदम बहुत सुंदर है, एकदम क्रिस्टल क्लियर वाटर है. You can just check out turquoise color, man. It's one of my favorite. This is why I love to come to Koh Lan, because of the color of the beach. It's so beautiful. There is not much people over here, you can see, and it's quiet. And once you take a dip, no, you won't feel hot over here. So the weather is, don't take it that hot, but yeah, you take a dip and you will feel good. A cool sip also is required because it's really very hot over here. And it's a little bit slippery because of the sand. Oh yes, this is Sangwan beach. Lovely white color sand beach and turquoise water. Wow, what else could you ask for in this beautiful place in Thailand? This island name is Koh Lan. This beach name is Sangwan beach. You just take a boat, a fast boat, speedboat, or a ferry, and excuse me, and you reach here to see this beautiful island. It's very good, man. What a lovely color of the beach. Let me just show you up close, and you will feel it. Really, it feels so special when I come over here. I feel so good. It really relaxes, you know, when I come over here and sit around this beach, and all my stress is gone. Really, this is one of the best place I have ever visited in the world. Really, for the beaches, I really love Thailand and Philippines.